Coming up on another Sunday, Saturday on my breath, just like every day. Ain't nothing going on in this nowhere town since she walked down the door and our love headed south. Now I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do, but I sure am thirsty, friends. How about you? So hey, Jose Cuervo, why don't you call Jim Beam? Maybe he'll bring on Budweiser. You know they've always been good to me. We'll send a message in a bottle to our friend Captain Morgan, tell him we're headed down to the beach. So hey, Jose Cuervo, the next round or two's on me. Those good-looking girls at the bar, I should be right there with a Cuban cigar in my hand. I'm done being lonely, I'm done being sad. Just put the jukebox on and I'll keep throwing them back. The hour's gonna start in an hour or two. Break out the margaritas with you know who. So hey, Jose Cuervo, why don't you call Jim Beam? Maybe he'll bring on Budweiser. You know they've always been good to me. We'll send a message in a bottle to our friend Captain Morgan, tell him we're headed down to the beach. So hey, Jose Cuervo, the next round or two's on me. Jim Beam, maybe he'll bring on Budweiser. You know they've always been good to me. Yes, they have. We'll send a message in a bottle to our friend Captain Morgan, tell him we're headed down to the beach. So hey, Jose Cuervo, the next round or two's on me. With old Jose. Thank you, Greensburg. My name's Jim Litvin, the Nature Boy Band. We got a whole day of music. Thanks to the whole crew for having us on out here tonight. We'll see you next time.